Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, January 31st, 2018. Well, it's brutally cold out there. I mean, it's been colder this winter, but certainly it is rather chilly, with temperatures ranging from the single digits to lower teens over the northern interior and mid to upper teens along the coast. Winds are from the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and we have clear skies. The good news is that high pressure is in control. The other good news is that high pressure is leaving, and that means warm air transport. That's right, temperatures will be warming up. Now, for today, we'll have highs in the lower to mid 30s, but tomorrow's lows will be in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So, what does that mean? That means that temperatures really aren't going to be falling off all that much this evening as we develop more of a southwesterly wind and high pressure pushes off the coast. Then we'll watch this cold front move through tomorrow evening on through Friday morning with periods of rain changing over to snow as the cold front exits. I don't expect much in the way of snowfall accumulation with the passage of this cold front, but those of you in the higher elevations on Friday morning, like let's say the Poconos, the Hudson River Valley, northwestern Connecticut, you may be dealing with some slick roadways and maybe some slight accumulations, especially on cold surfaces. It's never a good idea to forecast snow accumulations when you just have a frontal passage. You usually want some sort of low pressure system because what's happening is that as the cold air is coming in, so is the dry air. So it kind of cuts down the precipitation while the cold air builds in. So you don't have the amount of time to support cooling of the surface and then snow accumulation to follow. So because of that, snow accumulation is going to be limited even though the cold air is coming in. On the radar, pretty much high and dry, we do see a few of these isolated showers. A lot of this is not reaching the ground. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see clear skies over us right now. And then you can see the increase in clouds as a high pressure system shifts off the coast and a cold front approaches the region. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for high pressure and control. Look for highs to rise into the lower to mid 30s and winds backing to the southwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour by the time we get to this evening. Overnight tonight, look for increasing clouds through the day, through the night, should I say, with lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Those temperatures will steadily rise above freezing with highs tomorrow afternoon ahead of the cold front in the mid to upper 40s. Look for periods of showers. Some of those showers may mix in with some snow, especially over the northern interior, but for the most part throughout the region, I'm expecting all rain and no snow accumulation. On Friday morning, that cold front clears out. Temperatures fall into the upper 20s to lower 30s behind the frontal passage. Look for those showers to change over to snow showers with some minor accumulations possible in the higher elevations. Otherwise, watch out for slick roadways and black ice on Friday morning as that cold air builds in. And temperatures really don't rise all that much, ranging from the upper 20s to mid 30s throughout the region for highs. Also, it's going to be rather windy with a northwesterly wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour. It's going to lead to a wind chill in the mid 20s. On Saturday, everything's quiet. High pressure's in control, clear skies. Look for lows in the lower to mid teens, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Don't be surprised if there's some single digits over the northern interior on Saturday morning, by the way. Then things get interesting on Sunday. Here we are, Super Bowl Sunday. Everyone's getting ready for the big game. I know all you Eagle fans are all excited. The good news is that at the game, high pressure will be in control with brutally cold conditions. Of course, it doesn't matter because they play indoors, but at least you can enjoy dry weather if you're outside tailgating. Here's where things get interesting for the region on Sunday. This cold front will be moving through. Notice this low pressure system right here. Now, the cold front moves through on Sunday with periods of showers, right? We're going to have lows on Sunday in the mid 20s, highs in the upper 30s to mid 40s throughout the region. So clearly above freezing, the precipitation will be rain. Then the cold front moves through Sunday night into Monday, and you get these waves of low pressure. Now, depending on the track of this low pressure system, if it's far enough out the coast like this, then you're dealing with the potential for snow throughout the region, okay? Sunday night into Monday morning. However, if the low pressure system is tracking very close to the coast, that would keep warm air on the coastal plain and more snow over the interior, basically making a mess no matter what. So the overall theme here is that Sunday night into Monday, we may be looking at a significant winter storm here depending on the track of this low pressure system. There's a lot of volatility in the model guidance because of this, so we'll have to watch this very carefully. Lows on Monday morning will range anywhere from the lower to mid 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range anywhere from the mid 30s to mid 40s depending on the track of the storm. Obviously, warmer along the coast. If we end up with a solution like this further out, with a weaker low pressure system, then you're dealing with a colder solution in most locations in the 30s. So there's a lot of volatility in this forecast that we have to watch very carefully. The good news is that Tuesday and Wednesday, high pressure will be in control. Look for showers by the time we get into Wednesday evening. Temperatures on Tuesday will range from the upper teens to lower 20s for lows and upper 30s to lower 40s for highs. And on Wednesday, mid to upper 20s for lows and lower to mid 40s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.